Nandito na kami
I'm
nakapark.
gonna grab that wheelchair so you can push me.
You can walk now. Amazing how you can walk properly now after a week.
I'll bring you up to the dock. You'll come in.
That's weird. Yeah, I've never really been super high. Normally it's in the green.
Good morning guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Ngayong umaga po meron akong OB appointment ngayon. Super aga. Ang aga ng schedule niya sa akin ngayon, 7:20. Madalas naman maaga talaga yung schedule, yung ini-schedule namin kasi yung pasok ko minsan 10:30 kaya para makaabot pa ako sa work, ganun, para makapag para hindi na hassle, para hindi na ako mag-take ng day off, no. So, si Travis, meron siyang bukas, meron din siyang appointment bukas para sa follow-up niya. Tawag nito sa follow-up check-up niya sa surgery niya, no. I-check lang nila kung okay na ba yung tahi niya. Sa ngayon, medyo okay na yung tahi niya, guys. Siya naman nagda-drive eh. Tsaka nakakalakad na talaga siya ng ayos. Di tulad nung nakaraan na medyo, tawag nito, na medyo paano-ano pa siya maglakad. Pero sa ngayon, medyo okay na talaga siya. Pero kailangan niya pa rin maghinay-hinay. Kasi nga, sabi ng doktor, bawal pa rin siya na magbuhat-buhat, ganun. Bawal siya magpuwersa kasi nga bago pa yung tahiin niya. So medyo may ilang weeks pa siya bago talaga siya makarecover ng maayos. Minsan nga hindi nag-charge. Minsan nga tawag nito. Minsan yung iba 6 na buwan daw, ganun. May iba naman madali. Depende rin daw sa katawan mo kung mabilis ka makarecover, no? So ayun guys, punta tayo ng ospital. Grabe yung buhok ni Kinsey talaga, no? Kailangan na talaga namin may lint roller sa lahat ng paligid ng bahay. Ako rin yung basura. Hindi na ako kumain. Nagbaon lang ako ng chewy bar. So, tara guys. Punta tayo na hospital. Hindi ko alam kung makapag-vlog ako pero itatry ko doon mag-vlog. Let's go. Hi guys. Nandito na kami
I'm
nakapark.
gonna grab that wheelchair so you can push me.
You can walk now. Amazing how you can walk properly now after a week.
A little bit.
Hey, you need to remember the e-ground.
Oh, well, I know where we are. We're just straight.
Dito na kami guys. And maaga kami dumating kasi walang traffic. Ang appointment ko is
Do you have your
7.
thing in your ear?
Ha? No. Ang appointment ko is 7:20 pa. Hindi na naman malamig ngayon guys. Kakaiba talagang weather dito sa
Rubicon.
Ooh,
It's
Rubicon.
nice, right?
Yeah. Kakaiba talaga ang weather dito sa Virginia ba? Di na naman malamig siya pero hindi yung katulad nung
It's
nakaraan na
not too
punta.
bad today.
Yeah,
It's
right?
still warm.
Dito na kami guys. Labo naman ang camera ko. Wait. Ang daming room dito. Isa siya sa malaking ospital. Naval Hospital dito guys. Doon pa kami sa may dulo. Tapos mag-aantay kami. Kasi 7:20 pa yung appointment ko. Wala pang 7. What time is it now? 6:49 pa lang.
Perfect timing. See, now it's starting to
Bukas.
get sore.
Bukas na naman.
We're walking too
Punta na
fast.
naman kami dito bukas. Para sa appointment ni Travis. Parang ang fresh natin today, ha? Taray. Diba? So, nag-check-in ako, guys. And, ito, pipilapan natin. Screening form. Lagi yan may ganito pag mag-check-in ka. Bibigyan ka nila ng form. Tapos, pilapan mo. Tapos, pag may nagtawag sa'yo, yun, kunin nila.
A few moments later.
Andito na kami guys sa loob. Tapos, chinek lang nung nurse yung blood pressure ko. Tapos, normal pa rin siya. 109/66. So, yun.
As long as it's under 120/80, you're healthy.
Yeah. So, yun. Minsan kasi, di ba, when you're pregnant, it fluctuate. Sometimes, you will get the high blood pressure. I hope not. Sana hindi, no? So far, okay naman siya hanggang sa ngayon. So, we'll see after ni nurse na i-check ako. Pati yung kasi sinusukat niya to. Tapos, yung heartbeat. Ayun. Tapos, meron siya mga prescription
It's gonna be
na
like
fast. Yeah.
35
By the way,
pounds
guys, nag-gain pala ako talaga ng weight. 35 pounds.
so far.
Oo, grabe. 66 kilograms.
Yeah.
Because I used to be 51, 52, or 54, something up to 54.
You were 115.
Oo, kasi chinek niya din yung weight ko. Tapos yun, yung
Yeah.
weight, tapos yung blood pressure yun, chinek niya.
You've gained about 32 pounds, but probably a couple more pounds to go.
Can you imagine, di ba, how much weight you will gain while you're pregnant?
Yeah. Well,
Some other people, they gain a lot of weight.
It makes sense
Yeah.
because she's heavy.
Yeah.
The
And this is getting bigger too.
the amniotic fluid is heavy.
Right.
Your chest is heavy. So yeah.
Nakakaloka. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Katatapos lang namin. And binigyan niya ako ng prescription para sa breast pump. Ang gloomy ngayon guys. Ay, gloomy. Foggy yung ano ba? Tama, right? Gloomy.
Yeah, gloomy. It is kind of odd.
So yun guys, pauwi na kami. Binigyan niya ako ng next appointment ko, schedule ko. So siya na yung nag-i-schedule. So ang next schedule ko is January 15. Tapos meron kaming off-roading at camping ng 17, 18. 18, 19 ba or 17, 18? 18, 19. Ayun. Tapos meron din silang binigay sa akin na classes. Tapos provided naman siya ng insurance namin. Meron sila yung parang mga nurse na pupunta sa bahay nyo para hindi ka na pumunta ng ospital. So which is natuwa kami, baka yun yung gawin namin para hindi na hassle. Sila na mismo mag-visit sa'yo sa bahay nyo. Diba? Ang taray, may pag-ganun sila. So yun, pauwi na kami guys. And babalik kami dito bukas para sa check-up naman ni Travis. We'll come back here tomorrow, babe, right?
Yep.
May work ako mamaya, alas 3. And alas 3 pa naman, 3:30. So yun. See you! Grabe guys, tignan nyo naman. Bakit diba? Di na makita yung daan. Ayan o, pag.
That's kind of odd.
Kaya nga eh.
It kind of came out of nowhere.
Right, look at that.
It wasn't like this when we just got here.
Hindi siya ganito this morning.
It's probably because it's warm out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's warm.
Yeah.
And the water's right here.
Right, because we're close to the... Kasi nasa base kami. Ayan. Grabe oh. Di makita. Good morning guys! Another appointment na naman kami ni Travis ngayon. So ngayon naman, si Travis naman yung may appointment sa doktor niya. And kasi nga, dapat papasok na siya this Friday. Tomorrow, Thursday ngayon, dapat papasok na siya bukas. Kaso, yung, di ba nga nagbe-belt sila, pag-uniform may belt sila. Kaso, yung sugat niya, maano ng belt. So, medyo hindi pa rin yung niya, yung tiyan niya. Kaya sabi niya na mag-extend siya ng 1 week. Sasabihan niya sa doktor. Tsaka mayroon siyang rashes sa tiyan. Kasi nga siguro dahil nag-heal yung niya, yung balat niya, yung tinahi sa kanya. Kaya nagkakaroon siya ng rashes, ganun. Tapos kaya magpapaano siya sa doktor. Sasabihin niya sa doktor na i-extend yung niya, yung tawag nito. 1 week yung niyan. Dali babe, can you show them your your tummy? Kaya extend yung
It's
niya.
still
yung,
bloated because I can't tighten my stomach.
Yung lid niya. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang rashes. You have rashes, right? Ayan
Yeah,
yung
like-
namumula.
I don't know if they can see,
Ayan.
like little dots.
Hindi namin alam kung saan galing yung rashes niya or heat rash pa siya or dahil sa niya, sa opera niya, kasi nga 'di ba minsan nag-aano yung natin, yung balat, 'di ba? So ayun guys, balitaan namin kayo pagdating namin doon. Mag-breakfast muna kami ni Travis bago kami umalis. Dito na kami guys. Punta kami sa taas.
Sa taas.
Harating lang namin. Nag-park kami sa labas kasi puno na naman ng parking lot. Para hindi kami maligaw. Parang naligaw kami.
It's like a 20-minute wait in line.
Yeah. Let's go. Dito na kami guys, nag-aantay.
10:30.
Nag-check-in pa si Travis. Ayun siya. Check-in. Tapos mag-aantay kami. Tatawagin na lang ata siya. Dito na kami.
'cause she drinks decaf because she's pregnant. I was like,
Well, congratulations.
I'm gonna do it.
she's like, I still need coffee. I'm like, well, you can have the decaf at least.
Do you like that?
Maybe 120 over 70 or like 110
It's
over
fine,
70.
it's still normal. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll bring you up to the doc. You know, come in. And
That's weird. Yeah, I've never really been super high. Normally it's in the green.
Blood pressure niya daw ay mataas. Pero normal pa rin naman daw. Nandito kami sa loob. I-check siya ng doktor, pati yung ano niya. So, hindi ko na ma-video yun, guys. Kasi bawal talaga. Nag-i-sneak.
Normally I'm below 120 and I'm below 80.
Mm-hmm.
Normally I'm like
That's
107
weird.
over 70 or 60.
Yeah.
Like I'm normally never in the 80s. That means my blood pressure's high for some reason. I don't understand that.
Yeah.
I haven't worked out for 2 weeks though.
And you drink decaf coffee.
Yeah, I haven't been
then-
drinking coffee. I've just been drinking water.
Yeah.
It could maybe my injuries. I don't know.
Tinignan yung ano niya, guys. Yung, ayun na, tinanggal na yung glue. Okay na siya. Kumbaga na,
Just a little.
medyo bloated pa si Travis. So,
I can't do anything.
natatawa ko nung hinawa. when she touches your ano.
Oh man. Hey, how did you like that when another girl was touching my
I don't care, she's old. It's fine, she's a doctor. Or
She's
physical
a-
assistant.
nurse practitioner.
Nurse
like
prac-
Shirley.
Like Shirley.
Yeah.
Tapos, hinawakan yung
I was
ano
like,
niya.
oh. It tickles.
Nakilitish.
Especially
Tawa
here.
kami dito.
Oh my god.
Kasi may kasama rin siyang isang nurse. She's what is the other guy? He's a
corpsman.
nurse.
No, he's a corpsman.
A corpsman,
Yeah.
tapos yung nurse practitioner. Tawan-tawa kami nung inano niya.
So she said full 6 weeks. I need.
Yes.
to
So you
recover.
have another week na hindi siya papasok.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks good. It looks really good, the stitches. But I know inside of it, you can still feel
It's only been 2 weeks.
there's still some pain. And she said it takes 6 weeks
Yeah.
to fully heal.
Yeah, at a minimum 6 weeks. But
So you can go back to work after a week, but
That
you
means-
can't lift.
it means we have to go to the. Unless she can give me the steroid cream, we might have to go get the prescription.
Yeah. So yun, guys. So papunta na kami sa car, guys. And extend yung ano niya, yung leave niya hanggang 30 katapos 31 hanggang New Year. Ang tuwa ako.
Oh my gosh! I almost walked into that thing.
Ming ka kasi. Tapos, may pinescribe lang sila na ointment na ilalagay sa may tiyan niya kasi nangangati siya, nagkaka-rashes siya. So, where are you gonna get that?
Get what? I'll drive
the
over
cream.
to Lower Creek
When? Tomorrow?
probably tomorrow.
Okay. So, yun lang yung kailangan niya para sa rashes niya. Libre naman din yun. Doon kami sa likod nag-park.
She said she thinks it's because of the scrub.
Yeah. Uwi na kami, guys. Dito kami nag-park sa labas kay Jaan. Diyan yung parking lot nila.
Imagine that whole thing is full.
Tignan nyo naman. Puno lahat yan. Tapos nung nag-surgery si Travis, that day ng surgery niya, nandun pa kami sa pinaka, Kaya, nag-drive na lang ako pa entrance, tapos wheelchair siya.
Did you tell him that you met one of my coworkers?
Oh, na-meet din namin yung coworker niya, guys. Kanina. Uwi na tayo. Dahil ako ay may pasok pa! Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami sa bahay and may pasok ako mamaya. Naglalaba ako ngayon. So, yun lang ang ating vlog for today and update kay Daddy Kulit. So, medyo okay na siya. Pero may bakasyon pa siya ng 1 week, no? Hindi pa siya makakapasok. So, yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!